Christmas is usually the time when we relax what we eat a little or even a lot. From Christmas parties, lunches with family and friends and chocolate boxes aplenty, what could possibly go wrong? Well, Dr. Lucy Chambers, a nutrition scientist at the British Nutrition Foundation, reveals that half of the weight gained over the festive period will remain with people over the coming year. So to answer my earlier question, it's a lot. But saying no to everything slightly unhealthy at Christmas lunch will leave you with a plate full of Brussels sprouts. I believe you can still enjoy what's on offer without overindulging by making the best food swaps and using clever tactics to avoid putting on the pounds over Christmas. So how to eat healthily at Christmas? First of all, try to opt for small portions. 1 chocolate rather than 5. Try not to graze and place temptations out of sight. Check the nutritional labels for fat, sugar and salt content and try to make some smart swaps. In my blog, I'll give you some ideas on making healthy swaps for traditional Christmas recipes.